All right, must be like 6 o'clock in the morning now. Birds are chirping, sun's coming up. Been working pretty long. Never started this video because I was in a Discord group. Still am. I was trying to get it to work on my laptop, but it just doesn't work. Again, still haven't uploaded any videos. Anyways, let's show you what I'm working on. Boom! This is the Green Giant. The intake. The knock sensors are going bad, which is a common problem. What they recommend is replacing them, replacing the harness, because water gets in here where the actual sensor is, and rusts them up. So I'm going to clean everything up as best as I can. I should put a thing here to kind of block water from getting in there. But they also recommended taking the foam piece out of here. I took both the front and the back. And honestly, this took me about 2 hours. I didn't do it the way they recommended. But I do think that had I known what I was doing, I could have skipped a few steps, still done it this way, and got it done in about 20 minutes. Other things, hard to tell, but I have the Jeep out. I'm going to maybe try and put the motor in this weekend. I've got a 3-day weekend. This is day 1 done. Can't see because I'm a fool. This flashlight kind of sucks. But I'm going to put the old rag joint on, I think, and kind of just force it together for now. My buddy Nate said he would help. I'm going to try and chop that. I'm going to get the steering wheel puller so I can take this apart and get that lock out of there so it will actually turn. And I'll probably clean the Jeep out. Maybe. Probably not. Maybe work on the brakes a little bit. We'll see. We got a lot of options. Holy crap. So, my oil leaks through the what are those called? Valve guides? Really bad. Just to show you how bad it is. That is oil leaking out of the intake. There is a lot of it. And let's grab this. You can see how dirty these chambers are. Man. So I'm gonna get that cleaned up, get this done. I'm probably going to skip the caulk part for now because I don't have any. This is my only running vehicle and there's no one around. But at least I'll have new ones in. I know how to do this, so I can do it again later if I feel like it. I have to get a better intake, so I'll probably do it then. And I gotta pull those fucking heads off and get them rebuilt. But that'll have to be when I have another running vehicle pointing to the Jeep. So we'll see. Check back soon. Alright, here's an update. Pretty sure there's still raccoons living in this garage. I keep finding poop, and I keep hearing little things running around, but I never see anything. I only hear and see poops. And I hate it. Fucking poops. Fucking turds. God damn it. So, update on the motor. This is what you call a knock sensor. This is a brand new one, by the way. This was the front one. Little rusty, but not too terrible. Should still work all right. But I got a set with new cable, so I'm replacing it all anyways. This light was the back one. Look at that. That is fucking garbage. It's supposed to have that plastic top to hold the clip on there. Just total rust. So, take these, put them in my scrap bucket. And what happened was this back one here was completely filled with mud and water. See, there's the front one. I got that one installed already. Should probably clean it a little better, but I'm lazy and I don't care enough because I have to take this all apart again anyways. But it should at least eliminate that check engine light. And then I just have oxygen sensors to replace. The one I broke and the one I actually got to replace. So, oh, I cleaned everything up too. See, all nice and clean. I didn't clean the intake ports because, you know what, fuck it. I probably should have covered them, but a little bit of water, a little bit of crud got in there, but it's a stock engine. It's 170,000 miles on it. Think I really care? Nah. When I crank it, it'll just spit it all out through the exhaust. Wasn't that much water. But, gonna put that in, button it all back up. Ah, shit, I gotta find those wires still. I have an idea where they are now. I think I'm good. So, I'll be back in a little while, show you how it's all buttoned up. Maybe I'll find my Bluetooth scanner so I can actually clear my coats, because I went to O'Reilly's and asked them if they would clear them, and they said no. They said no! It's against company policy. Well, what the fuck is that shit? Anyways, shall be back. Here's another update. You can tell it's a lot sunnier. It's now 7:30. Again, had I known what I was doing and I've done this before, it would have gone a lot faster. The next time I do this, maybe take me an hour and a half, 2 hours, instead of like 5 or 6, whatever it took me. I don't know when I started and when I ended. But, as you can tell by the noise, she's purring. I just got to get the codes cleared. It looks like none of the injectors are leaking. The big thing I was worried about. It appears I do not have to push them in as far as I thought I did. I do hear some weird clicking. I wonder what that is. But I don't know. What am I butting? Something. Oh, I do have to change these 2 spark plugs still. Maybe I'll try that later today. Couldn't get these boots off last time I tried. I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna go rent that puller. Then I might nap for a little bit. I've got to work on that laptop again. But my friend hasn't gotten me the for sure password. I don't want to get it locked out. That would suck. Because I don't really know how to deal with that. And then, let's see, I don't know. We'll go from there. Chicka, chicka, chicka. We'll be back. Alright, as you can see, I'm in my room. I rented the steering wheel puller. Couldn't find anybody to clear my codes, so I'm just going to order a new Bluetooth reader because I can't find mine. Should be here in a couple days. And then I'm going to take a nap. I'll probably end up sleeping all day because I work 3rd shift and that's just what I do. And yes, my room is a horrible, disgusting mess because nobody comes over and I just don't care anymore. So, I'm going to end this video here. Pew! Peace out. Keep the fucking shit up. Like, hate. Do something. Tell me you hate me. Tell me I suck. Just tell me you're watching. If I got haters, then it means somebody's watching. So, peace out, and I'll see you later.